So I am gonna be doing a shameless little self-promo of my Poshmark store, which is at JUNO&CO. Go check out my closet, linked down below. Also, tell me what your Poshmark closet's name is down in the comments below so that we can like shop each other's stuff. Poshmark is selling stuff like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Michael Kors, Adidas, Nike, all of that jazz. It is actually so stinking good. Go check out my closet because I'm selling a bunch of really awesome brand new makeup products for really good prices. So thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed. So you can download the app for free with the link down in the description. Do it. Just freaking do it, you guys. You won't regret it. Now let's get straight into the video. Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today we're gonna be testing out the brand new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So I just picked this up yesterday from Ulta, and what shade is this? This is the shade 120 Classic Ivory. So this is, I believe, the second lightest shade in this foundation collection. Yeah, let's just go ahead and try this on. I feel, now that I'm sitting here looking at how pale my face is right now, I feel like I should have gotten the lightest shade. But actually, no. From the bottle, it looks like to be my skin color, right? I'm nervous. So it's definitely more of a warmer tone foundation on me. I could have gone with the lighter shade, but you know what? This is what we're working with today. It's not too bad. I just need to blend it onto my neck really well, and then we will be just fine. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see the coverage? That is definitely full coverage. That is nice full coverage. Like my red pimple right there completely covered. My pimples down here completely covered. Oh wow, wow. The finish is really nice. Girl, I look good. My skin looks good, but I'm just gonna continue trying to blend this down more on my neck because you can see how pale I am. Oh my gosh, you guys, I swear, sometimes when you're in an Ulta or a Sephora or the drugstore and like the fluorescent lighting and you're trying to like shade match by just looking at the color on there, it's totally different. Like, I swear to you, when I was in Ulta yesterday, this looked like my perfect match. But, oh wait, it's kind of oxidizing, like very orange. All right, so I do think that the foundation oxidized. It definitely oxidized a little bit, but it's not too bad. Like, it's definitely pretty orange compared to like my scalp color and like my, oh gosh, girl needs to blend that out. Do you see how orange that was compared to my neck? Is it just me, or is it kind of going a little patchy? I think I'm gonna go to the store, return that, and then get the right shade and try that, because the more I'm looking at myself, the more orange and the more oxidized it's getting. Like, hold on, let me just show you what color it was in the beginning. Like, do you see that? That's not orange. That's like a nice skin toned color. No, I need to give this a fair shot. I'm gonna go get the right color, and then we're gonna try this. Okay, I am back. Just ran to Ulta And I got 2 more shades of this foundation. I returned that other one because obviously it was not right. So I got the 2 lightest shades, 110 and 102. Yeah. So this one is porcelain and this one is fair porcelain. So I think this one's the lighter one. So now that my moisturizer has kind of sunken into my skin after running errands and such, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Now I'm just going to go in. But I really do love the coverage of this foundation. Like, holy crap, girl is full freaking coverage. All right, so I just finished the rest of my makeup and just put some setting spray on. So this is what we are working with for today. Just a very simple, I wouldn't call this like glam just because it's a very simple eye look, like 3 colors with highlight. I'd call this like borderline. Almost glam, but not glam. This is just chill makeup, like I'm just trying to be cute or whatever, like type of look. So you guys are gonna come along with me for the rest of the day and we're gonna see how this foundation wears. So far, I'm really impressed with the look of it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The coverage is amazing. The formula I think is really nice. The only thing is I think I don't know, the color choices by Maybelline is a little bit weird. I feel like this one that I put on is supposed to be porcelain, but it's like super yellow toned. So I have this one fair porcelain that's more pink based. So I think the next time I use this, I'm going to mix them together just so I get like an even neutral undertone. But that is the only thing. Other than that, I think that it looks really good and I'm really liking this so far. So let's get on with the day. Hi. The foundation is not... It's getting licked off. It's getting licked off here. Why are you trying to bite me? I'm your mama. Do you want to tell them something? What? See, sometimes he just gets these surges of like energy and he just goes wild. Is my foundation off now? Hi, baby. Oh, hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, let's not lick my eyeshadow though. You are on my hair. Bro, I have to review this foundation. I love you too, but I have to review this foundation, sweetheart. I'm sorry. All right, let's not eat my head. Let's just not do that. I love you. He's so cute. Hey guys, it is 5:30, so I've had this makeup on for 6 hours. Oh, that is a long time. Let's go into my bathroom so that we can get a little bit more bright lighting and we can kind of see what's going on with my face. First of all, the coverage is still there. My puppy licked my face like crazy and still everything is still in place. Like, this foundation is bomb. Like, what? First of all, I do think that they need to expand their shade range. Like, I saw their Fit Me foundation has like like 30 or 40 different shades, and that is amazing. They have an amazing shade range for that foundation, but the shade range for this foundation that I'm wearing right now, I think there's only like 10 or 12 shades, so it kind of makes finding the right undertone really difficult. I also think they need to like state on the bottle the undertone, because I don't know, the one I have, what I'm wearing is porcelain, but really it has a very intense yellow undertone, which I was not expecting from porcelain. So yeah, I think they need to state like the undertones and the foundations and such and all that jazz. But honestly, my skin is looking amazing. Like, I mean, yes, I do have those bumps where I have pimples. Well, they're not pimples anymore. They're like, they're on their way of becoming flattened. Like, they're on their way out. So like, there's no pimple to pop there anymore. It's just like a scar that's like going away. But it's still all the way covered. You're just seeing the bump of it. You know what I mean? Like, it's 100% covered. And my face looks really darn good. Alright, you guys, final thoughts. I literally just started to take off my makeup on this side, and it kind of looks like I'm crying because I accidentally put contacts in my eyeballs that were still in solution, so it was like cleaning my contacts and they were burning my freaking eye out, so it like hurts really. Oh, hi baby, what's wrong? So let me tell you my final thoughts on this foundation. So honestly, I think the foundation is really stinking good considering it's drugstore. It's full coverage. You're gonna get that full coverage look. It's a really, really nice foundation. I didn't notice any like creasing like my under eyes. Well, obviously this one's gone, but my under eyes look really, really good. The wrinkles on my forehead didn't, I mean, obviously there's creases there because I have forehead wrinkles, like a freaking ruffle chip up there, but like it didn't separate all that much around my smile lines. Like, obviously you can see that I have a crease there because that's in my face, but it didn't like separate or get weird around there. So overall, I really did like this foundation. I think it's a really good price. I think it's a really good formula. But I think that they need to specify the undertones and make the shade range bigger. I understand that it's a new launch and everything, and I think that their first initial launch was pretty good. They got most of the basic fair shades and they got a couple of dark shades. I think they really could use some work on their darker shades in the shade range. But I mean, they didn't even include a whole lot of light or medium shades either. So I think like it was a test run type thing, but I really like the formula. I hope they come out with more shades because I think I'm definitely going to be wearing this foundation more often, but I am going to have to mix those two, porcelain and fair porcelain or light porcelain, one or the two. So that is my final review. I know I look super wonky right now, like, oh my gosh, Jordan, you look freaking crazy. But thank you guys so much for sticking till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Where's Gray? Anyways, bye guys.